my dear students, let's start with sum number 4 Roman 1. Here you are asked to divide this by this. So you are going to write this in the numerator, and this one by which you are going to divide, you are going to write in the denominator. As you can see here, between 5 and bracket we don't have anything. That means here we have multiplication. Between this bracket and this bracket we don't have anything. That means here we have multiplication. Now you see the terms in the numerator and denominator. You will find this thing is common in both the place in multiplication. So you can cancel it. So our final answer here will be 5 multiplied by 3x plus 5 within the bracket. Let us start with the next sum. Here, as you can see, we are asked to divide this by this. So we will write this in the numerator, and this one by which we are going to divide, we will write in the denominator. Now in the numerator you can see that we have 26 multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by x plus 5 multiplied by y minus 4. So here in the denominator we have 13 into x into y minus 4. So here y minus 4 in the denominator and this y minus 4 in the numerator, which is in multiplication, we can cancel it. Now we have x here in the denominator and this x in the numerator, that also we can cancel. Next you can see 13 2s are 26, so we can cancel this. So what we are left with? We are left with 2 as the constant. In the numerator we have a y here and we have x plus 5 within the bracket. So this is our final answer. Let us start with the next sum. Here you are going to divide this by this. So this one which you are going to divide, you are going to write in the numerator, and by which you are going to divide, you are going to write in the denominator. Now as you can see, we have multiplication here also multiplication, here also multiplication. Similarly here also multiplication, here also multiplication. I think you know this because we have discussed in the previous class. Now as you can see, this one and this one will be cancelled, and here q plus r in the numerator and q plus r in the denominator, both in the multiplication will get cancelled. And here as you can see, we know 52 2s are 104, so this you are going to cancel. Here we have a p, here also a p, this will get cancelled. Here q and here q, this will get cancelled. So your final answer here will be 1 by 2 as your constant, and we have r in the numerator, we have p plus q in the numerator. So this is our final answer. Let us start with the next sum. As you can see, here we are asked to divide this by this. So we are going to write this one in the numerator, and by which we are going to divide, here we have written that one in the denominator. Now as you can see, in between 20 and this bracket we don't have anything. That means here we have multiplication, here between these two brackets we have multiplication, and here we have multiplication. Now as you can see, y plus 4 in the numerator, which is in multiplication, same thing we have y plus 4 in the denominator as multiplication, so we can cancel both of this. Now we have 5, we know 5 4s are 20, so we can cancel this one. So we have cancelled everything in the denominator, that means we have 1 in the denominator. So we are left with only the numerator, that is 4 multiplied by y square plus 5y plus 3 within the bracket, which is our final answer. Let us start with sum number 4 Roman 5. As you can see, here we are asked to divide this with this. So we will write this in the numerator and this one in the denominator. Now as you can see, after x we don't have anything. That means we have multiplication, here also we have multiplication, here also we have multiplication, and here also we have multiplication. Now as you can see, in the denominator we have x in the multiplication, and in the numerator as well we have x in the multiplication, so we can cancel both of this. Here as you can see, x plus 1 in the denominator in the multiplication and x plus 1 in the numerator in the multiplication, so this will also be cancelled. So we have cancelled everything in the denominator, that means we are left with 1. So let us write whatever things we have in the numerator, that is x plus 2 within the bracket multiplied by x plus 3 within the bracket. Here we don't have anything, that means by default we have multiplication.